Lady Bird, you cannot lock yourself in there. We have one bathroom. Do you really need to use 2 towels? If you need to use 2 towels, you just have to say so, because this affects my entire day. I have to do laundry before work, and I need to know if there are more towels I need to wash. Okay, well, let me get to the mirror. I gotta get going. You're having sex? Oh, college is good. I think college. Use protection, like we talked about. Why do you ask that? Dad's been struggling with depression for years. You know, money is not life's report card. Being successful doesn't mean anything in and of itself. It just means you're successful. But it doesn't mean you are happy.